Here is everything you need to know about mandible. So we study mandible in two parts, body and ramus. Now let's start with the body. So body has two surfaces, one is the outer surface and one is the inner surface, and it has two borders, the superior border and the inferior border. Superior border is also called alveolar border and the inferior border is also called base of mandible. Now let's start with the midline called symphysis manti. On lower part of symphysis manti there is a protuberance जिसको हम बोलते हैं mental protuberance. Now inferolaterally there are two tubercles जिनको हम बोलते हैं mental tubercle. If we move laterally there is a foramen जिसको हम बोलते हैं mental foramen. Now there is a continuation of anterior border of ramus into the body जिसको हम बोलते हैं oblique line. Okay. Now coming to the inner surface of mandible, here there is also a oblique line जिसको हमने बोला है mylohyoid line. Above this there is a depression जिसको हम बोलते हैं sublingual fossa, and below is there is also a depression जिसको हमने बोला है submandibular fossa. The one below the incisor teeth, this is incisive fossa, and one at the base of mandible, here in the midline, it is digastric fossa. Now in the midline, in lower part, there are four small elevations जिनको हम बोलते हैं genial tubercles. Now coming to the ramus part, it is quadrangular in shape and it has two surfaces, the lateral surface and the medial surface, and four borders, anterior border, posterior border, superior border and inferior border. The medial border, it has a foramen, this is mandibular foramen, and it leads to a canal which is called mandibular canal. If you can see, there is a groove below this foramen, this is called mylohyoid groove. Superiorly, ramus projects two processes, the one is called coronoid process and the second is called condylar process. Between the processes there is a notch, this is called mandibular notch. Now you can see there is a depression on the anterior surface of this condyloid process, this is called pterygoid fossa. This is all about mandible. If you find it helpful, share it with your study buddies.